بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائنا طلاب برنامج إدارة أعمال دولية، سوف نقدم لكم بعض المحاضرات. هذه المحاضرة هي عبارة عن محاضرة مراجعة لما تم أخذه في اللقاءات المباشرة في القاعات. المقرر Computer Fundamentals Textbook is Discovering Computer 2016. We will speak about Chapter 1, Introducing Today's Technology. What is a computer? How is a computer defined? Computer is an electronic device operating under control of instructions stored in its own memory. This is one definition of computer. Computer accept data, raw fact, figures, symbols, and processing this data to information. So the data will be organized, meaningful, and useful. The outputs of this processing produce and store in device. What is the information processing cycle? Inputs, processing, outputs, storage, communications. These 5 steps of information processing cycle, starting from inputs, processing, outputs, storage, communication, and again maybe to input. This is called information processing cycle. What is input device? We know that any device that enter data to the computers called input device. Then the input device hardware used to enter data and instructions to the computers. It's called input device. For example, keyboards, scanners, camera and digital camera, mouse, etc. What is an output device? Hardware that conveys information to users. Then this is the computers, and output device is the hardware that conveys information to the users. For example, screen, microphone, and printers, etc. What is system units? System unit is a box like case containing electronic components used to process data. This is system unit. Then again, system unit is the box containing electronic components used to process data. What are two main components on motherboards? Central processing units called processor and memory. This is the main components is there on the motherboards. Processor carries out instruction that tell computer what to do. Memory, temporary holding place for data and instruction. What is storage? Storage holds data, instructions, and information for future use. There is two types: storage media, storage device. Storage media is a physical material on which data, instructions, and information are stored, whereas storage device recorder and retrieves items to and from storage media. Examples for storage media: CD, flash, hard disk. What is storage media? Portable 10 memory cards used in, for example, digital camera, handheld computers. What is flash device? This is the flash device. It much greater storage capacity than the floppy disk. Hard disk. What is the hard disk? This is the pictures of the hard disk. The hard disk is provide much greater storage capacity than floppy disk or USB flash drivers. Household inside the system units. This is inside the system units, and also there is external hard disk that's outside systems units. Compact disk. This is the called compact disk. Flat, round, portable, metal disk. These different types of compact disk. There is some types for read only and other for read and write. Then the CD-ROMs, that means only for reads. CD-RW, that means for read and write. Also DVD-ROM, that means only for read, and DVD-RW, that means read write. Why is computer so powerful? What makes a computer powerful? There is some components that make computer is powerful. First is storage. Second is reliability and consistency. Third is speed. Fourth, accuracy. Fifth, communications. So storage means store a lot of data or informations. Reliable means it's easy to works with the computers. Speed, it's high speeds in reading and writings and process. Accuracy, it calculates or doing the works in accurate manners. Communications means the computer will be communicate with other computers or other devices. Networks and internet. What is a network? It is a collection of computers and devices connected together. Then collections of computers and devices connected together. There is communication devices and communication medium. Communication devices enable connections between computers. For example, modem. Communication media like cable, telephone, cellular radio, and satellite. What are the reasons to networks? Means why we need the networks. We need networks to share resources, to share hardware devices, to share software programs, to share data, to share informations, and to save time and money. This is why we need a network. What is a server? A server is a device. This is device called server. Manage the resources on a networks. Any type of resources, software resources or hardware resources. So that server connect many devices, maybe clients, maybe other resources. A client access to the resources, for example hardware resources, through the server. What is the internet? Internet is a collection of networks that connect millions of computers. See these figures. This is the world map. The different networks is there. This is satellite, and also other networks is on the cable. So the internet is connects all these networks together. Why do users access the internet? The users access internet to communications, to get informations, to shopping, banking and investing, in classes or entertainment. What is the web? The websites is a collection of related web pages. What is web pages? Web pages contains text, graphics, sound, video and link to other web pages. Then a billion of documents called web pages available to anyone connected to the internet. We call this web. A website again is a collection of related web pages, whereas a web pages contains text, graphics, sound, video and links to other web pages. You can share information by creating web pages or posting photo on a photo community. How do you install software program? First, what is program? A program is a series of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Then program is a series of instructions that tell the computer what to do. To install programs to computers, you need the softwares. In, for example, CD. So both CD in CD driver and follow the instructions, you will install the program and you can use the program. What is graphics user interface, GUI? The graphics user interface, this allows you to interact with software using graphical and icons. Control how you enter data and how the screen display informations. This is called graphics user interface or GUI. You can enter data to the computer through two methods: command lines or graphical user interface. Computer software. What is system software? System software are the programs that control the operation of computers and its devices. As we said, that computer divided two parts. The first part is hardware. The second part is software. The software can be operating systems, utility program. Operating system is a control of computers, and utility program is any programs that you want use it, for example programming language and any applications like Office or etc. Then what is operating system? Operating system is a set of programs that coordinates all activities among computer hardware devices and allow the user to run application software. Utility programs allows user to perform maintenance type tasks usually related to manage computers, its devices or its program. What is application software? Application software is a program that perform specific task for users. Example: word processing, database, spreadsheet, and presentation graphics like PowerPoints or others. What is a programmer? Who is the programmer? Someone who develop application or system software. Programmers write instructions to direct computer to process data into information. Then the programmer, someone who develop applications like this through write instructions to direct computer. Categories of computers. What are the category of computers? The computer are categorized to personal computers, desktop, mobile computers and mobile device, and mid-range servers, and mainframe computers, and super computers. This is the main power for computers. Then the personal computers, we can use it at home, office or university. Mobile computers and mobile devices, also we can use this as personals. And mid-range servers is the servers, but it's middle power, and we can use for any organizations. And mainframe computer is the biggest computers and used by big company. Supercomputers is the powerful computers that's used in research lab or others big company. Personal computer. What are the two most popular series of personal computers? There is many companies that's made computers, and some is generals and some is specific with some softwares. PC and compatibles use the Windows operating systems. This is use Windows operating system. Here the Macintosh company made the Apple Macintosh use the Macintosh operating system that's called Mac OS. That's what is called as specific to this device. This operating system specific to Macintosh device. What is the desktop computer? Designed so all of the components fit on or under the desk or table. Is designed in this or different types. It's a desk. Personal computer. What is a notebook computer? It's like this in pictures. It's easy to carry, portables, small enough to fit in your lap. It's also called a laptop computer, generally more expensive than desktop. And also, what is a tablet PC? Tablet PC like this pictures, reasonable little size, allow you to write on the screen using digital pen, especially useful for taking notes. Handheld computer. Continue. What are web enabled handheld computers? Allow you to check email and access to internet, like in this picture some devices, computers. Web enabled telephone is a smartphone. What is handheld computer? Small enough to fit in your hands, used by mobile employees such as meter readers and delivery people. Handheld computers. What is a personal digital assistant? PDA. Provide personal organized functions like these devices, used for calendars, appointments, address book, calculator. What types of server are there? There is many different types of servers, smalls, mediums and big. Middle range servers like this is powerful large computer that supports up to a few thousand of computers. This is the mainframe computers, very powerful, expensive computer that supports thousands of computers. And this is the pictures of supercomputer that fastest, most powerful, most expensive computers used for application requiring complex mathematics calculations. Elements of an information systems. What are information system elements? There is 5 elements of information systems: people, procedures, data, software and hardware. People whose works on the information system. Procedures is the instructions, rules that arrange the information or using information system. The data is inputs to the information systems. Softwares is the applications used in operating systems. Hardware is the devices that can be used to process computer usage. What are the 5 categories of computer users? There is small computers, that's home computers, office computers and server also, or workstation computers. These pictures show different types of computers. What software is available for small office, home office users? In office or small office, maybe you need some applications like office programs and special softwares for or applications for the company. You need also LAN, local area network. You need also web email. Example of computer usage. What is available for mobiles? Hardware and software. This is what you can need in the mobile device. What are the needs of large business users? You need web access. You need telecommunications to communicate between different offices. You need networking, media and communications. You need applications, softwares, and also you need workers or peoples to work on this business. What are the needs of powerful user? The powerful computers speed and large amount of storage. Who use the powerful users or who needs it? Engineers, architects, desktop publishers, graphics artists. Computer application in society. What are some examples of computer application in society? Computer is used in education. Computer is used in finance. Computer also is used in governments. Computer used in healthcare, in science, publishing, travel, industry, etc. Here summary of this review.